For this problem, you were asked how many ways can you select 5 city commissioners from a group of 17 candidates. So the first thing you should recognize is that this is a combination problem. And the reason this is a combination is because there is no order attached to selecting these 5 city commissioners. They aren't for a particular city, they aren't in a particular ranking, so you just want 5 of them. So your formula for n choose r is n factorial, your total amount of candidates, divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial. So there are 17 candidates to choose from, so that's 17 factorial. You have 17 minus r, and r is how many you're selecting, which is 5 factorial. And then, once again, you have another 5 factorial. So what you really have here is 17 factorial divided by 17 factorial divided by 17 minus 5, which will give you 12 factorial times 5 factorial. So the factorial means you take that number and you multiply it by every number that is below it. And then this continues to go down. But what I'm noticing here is that you have a 12 factorial denominator, so that's 12 times 11 times 10. So each one of those is going to cancel out in the numerator. So you have 17 times 16 times 15 times 14 times 13. And then you have 5 factorial, which is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So if you take 5 times 3, that gives you 15, so that'll cancel out your numerator. If you have 4 times 2, that will give you 8. So 16 divided by 8 will simplify the 2. So you'll have 17 times 2 times 14 times 13. Now, if you have a calculator, your calculator can automatically do this formula for you. If you have a graphing calculator, you want to enter in the n value first, 17. Then you want to go under the math menu, and then you want to go under the PRB menu for probability. Choose the formula NCR, then press enter. Then enter how many you're selecting. You're selecting 5 candidates, and then press enter.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.